Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 Co-op Deluxe on your PC. First, you'll need to gather a few essential files. This incredible mod transforms the classic single-player adventure into a vibrant multiplayer experience, supporting up to 16 players simultaneously. It also introduces new playable characters and extensive customization options, making it a fresh way to enjoy a beloved game with friends. To begin, navigate to the official Super Mario 64 Co-op Deluxe website to download the latest version of the mod's executable. This file is typically small, just a few megabytes. Next, you'll need to legally obtain a Super Mario 64 Z64 ROM. The US version is generally recommended for compatibility. Remember, the mod developers do not provide the ROM itself. Once you have both files, launch the Super Mario 64 Co-op Deluxe executable. It will display a message asking you to drag and drop your Super Mario 64 Z64 ROM directly onto its window. The tool will then compile the game, integrating the mod. This process usually takes only a few minutes. After compilation, you can select your preferred graphics API, with OpenGL being a common choice for optimal performance. With the game successfully installed, you're ready to play. You can choose to host a private lobby, setting a password for your friends to join, or explore public lobbies to connect with other players. The host has the ability to manage game settings and activate additional mods, like HD textures or custom characters. Gather up to 16 friends and dive into the synchronized world of Super Mario 64 Co-op Deluxe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.